Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I just realized that fire is getting big. I have today my Ipsy Glam Bag X. This is about all I can show you because my address is all over this box. So let's get into it and I'll tell you about it. Ipsy Glam Bag X is the biggest of their offerings. It is $55. It is up to a $350 value. You will get 7 to 8 items. You will have 3 choices. I wrote down what they are today, so I'm feeling ever so clever. So we will just get right in here and I will show you what I chose. I know, I'm kind of bragging on it because I finally remembered to write it down. That is what is in the box. The paperwork in the Glam Bag X, it's always so cool because they make it look like kind of a newspaper or a flyer. And it says Glam Bag X, and it comes out every 3 months. And the reason it's Glam Bag X is because they always partner with somebody. And this one is partnered with Addison. So that's who made some of our choices in theory. And on the inside, they usually tell us a little bit about everything that could have been in the box. The things that I chose, the things they put in, the things I could have chosen, all the good stuff. We're gonna reach right in on top. This is big. Wow. Extra large bombshell volumizer. Yes, please. Always. The answer to hair care that either stops breakage or creates volume is always yes, please. The paperwork says, bombshell hair, like Addison's, starts with this volumizing foam. A few pumps help add instant thickness, lift, and fullness that lasts until your next wash. This had a $26 value. Look at this old-fashioned pump-like thing. It whistles too. Oh. So that's what it looks like. We want to see what it smells like, right? Oh, it's very slippy. It has almost no scent. I kind of like that. Yeah, this would not compete with any other scent, like if you liked your shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, it has virtually no scent. Item number 1, and I'm all in, so check. The next item, okay, this is one of my choices. This is from Firma, and it's 3 brushes, and it looked like a real exacting small brush kit for your eyes. And I talk about this all the time. I have the smallest eye space. I have hooded eyes, and it just, so when I use regular blending brushes, which is what I do for almost everything, I have to be real aware of the size because some brushes, they just cover too much surface compared to the surface I have available to have eyeshadow on it. This is what we have, is 3 brushes. I have the 206, which I will call an eyeliner brush because that's what I use it for, but you could also use it for your eyebrows. We have a nice, it's kind of thick, but you could call it a smudger. What do they call it? They call it a 205. I would call this a really thick pencil brush because of the way that it's shaped. And not many people must have chosen this because I can't find it in this paper. It's on the front. I can't find it in this paperwork. Nope, anywhere. So this is the last one. It is a 301, and I took it out so you can see that it feels kind of like wood. I'm not sure if it's plastic or not. And the top, it's a very fine point. It almost looks like a lip brush to me. I mean, you could use it. I just have, like I said, such a small eye space that I always, every time I do my eyes, take a shimmer or glimmer, that type of thing, and I do this whole inner third to a half of my eye. I would probably use it for that, but I think it might be a lip brush. I don't have a value on this because it's not in the box. I will try and find one and put it over here. Okay, next out. We have the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. And that is what that looks like. That is what it looks like. All the Tula stuff is always blue. And I always think it's so pretty. I could imagine like if you committed to a full Tula set, how pretty that would look on a vanity. The paperwork says that it has a $52 value. Your product should multitask as well as Addison does. It's the reason she loves this moisturizer. It can be used day and night to help deeply hydrate and smooth the look of fine lines and rough texture. That makes me a little nervous because it makes me think that there's something in there that's going to help smooth your surface texture. It doesn't technically have anything in it that I can't use. It does have lemon and orange, which depending on how much is used can sometimes upset my skin. And do you think sodium lactate is like lactic acid? Like, oof, let me know below what you know about sodium lactate. But technically, there's nothing in here I can't use. Next out of the box, we have, ooh, Pat McGrath. I have a Pat McGrath Lust Gloss. And that is what it looks like. Love some Pat McGrath, especially her eye products. It says Lust Gloss in Love Potion. Ooh, it's big. that is what it looks like. It looks like it's probably, I hope that it's going to be see-through, because if not, this color is not going to be my friend. I do not look good in a pale color, but we're going to risk it. We're just going to put it right over what I have on. I could use a little pick-me-up shine. Oh, good. It is indeed just a gloss. Feels nice. It's not pulling at all. Very sweet. I don't taste it, but it has a very vanilla-y, cakey scent. I like that. This will be great. This is just an everyday gloss. The paperwork says that the Pat McGrath Labs Lust Gloss is a $28 value. This isn't your average lip gloss. The lightweight, not at all sticky gel formula is infused with shimmery pigments for wet-looking lips in a swipe. Do I look wet? It's truly not sticky. Top off your favorite lip color with a coat of this gloss for a multi-dimensional look. Next out, one of my choices. These are the Key sunglasses. As you guys might have guessed, kind of going blind. Need to go to the eye doctor soon. Haven't done that, but I just wear readers. Oh, look, it's a clear. How cool is that? It's just a clear case. I guess that's going to be a cleaning cloth in the back, but I love Key sunglasses. I've had them in the past. I wasn't sure about the shape and style of these, but I thought I'd give it a try. You know what? I have plenty of people in my life who will happily take sunglasses if they don't work for me. Now that I'm seeing them in person, I'm a little nervous about the size and the shape of them. I am really good in a cat eye. I'm really comfortable in a cat eye. So this was definitely going off book for me. It's that kind of more robotic look that I always think of a robot when I see it. Let's try. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll tell you one thing. The sun's not getting to me. These are huge. I mean, I'm blocked from here to, it blocked all of my lights. I mean, it's lights out in here. They're not as bad as I thought. They are not at all small. I don't mean in size. I mean in head size. They're almost big on me, and I don't have a tiny head. They have the key on the side. It's a different look. I kind of like it. Let me know, honestly. Let me know below what you think. Don't be like, oh, Kathrin, they look nice on you, when you're thinking she needs to not wear those glasses. If she needs to not wear the glasses, let her know. They are not as bad as I thought they were going to be. You know what these would be good for? When you go to the pool and you're really looking for some coverage, these would be fantastic. Also, how do they do with this? Ooh, see, that's a good look. That's where my sunglasses spend half their life. The paperwork says that these are Hindsight in Black Smoke, $65. Thanks to these blacked out, oversized square shades, you can block out the sun and your haters in style. I mean, that is true. This is some serious coverage. They say Key on each of the arms. This is what they look like up close. I mean, they're pretty. It's just a matter of if they're for me. I also like that they come with a really nice case and a really pretty cloth white. Reaching in next, I have an MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. It's a lot of words right there is what that is. Let's see if I can wear it before we go on. Yep, technically nothing in here I can't use, so we can get in it. Just for the record, I do have sensitive skin. Just because something doesn't have something in it that I know is a problem for me, doesn't mean that down the road when I start using it, it can't be a problem. Plenty of things that I'm not allergic to do still tend to make my face mad. And there are just so many new ingredients every day that I'm never really sure what it is. Is that not pretty? It's glass and it's that frosted pink. So pretty. The paper says late nights and early mornings can wreak havoc on your under eye area, which is why this brightening eye cream is a staple in Addison's busy schedule. It helps strengthen the skin and capillaries around your eyes to prevent dark circles and puffiness. Yay! It has a $143 value. Wow, that is a high value. Get in there. That is what it looks like on the inside. I have a little on the lid here, so we'll just take some of that. It's just a nice whipped type cream. Ooh, it's thick. It's very thick. It is melting into my skin, but it starts off that's what you saw me show you would have been enough easily to do both eyes. Easily. Oh, it's kind of floral. Is that true? Let me make sure I don't have something else on the back of my hands. Yes, that is true. I think, personally, I think it smells a lot like lotion, but I think it leans toward floral for me. I like it. I will, for $143, you can bet your bippy I'm going to try it and see if it's a miracle worker for me. Next out, I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. that is what it looks like. I'm going to show you the component, but I'm not going to take it out because I have one of these started and I don't think that these last as long once they're open. But it just is an Anastasia clear brow gel. That's what it looks like, and it's just like a mascara component, but it's for your brows. I use it after I use my pencil, and it says it has a $22 value. A few swipes of this clear, lightweight gel will tame and polish your bare brows and can also lock in pigments from your brow pen, pencil, or pomade. P.S. The longer lasting formula won't dry down or get flaky either. I find that to be true. Last out we have, oh, my last choice, the Item Beauty On The Daily Eyeshadow Palette. That is what that looks like. I honestly don't remember it. I think Item Beauty might be Addison Rae's. Is that true? Might be her own brand. It doesn't say it on the front, but I'm gonna say it like it's true. So this is Addison Rae's own brand. And that is what it looks like when we take it out. Well, yeah, I'm not swatching this. This is very, very neutral. I mean, and if you've used it and there's something spectacular about it I need to know, let me know. But that is a very, very neutral palette, and I have so many of them. I've left the plastic covering it so that I can pass it along because it is pretty. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's gorgeous and it meets all my requirements. It has shimmers and mattes. It has a matte in a color that I would use to fill my whole eye space, a couple transition colors that are fantastic. Like I would use this over my whole eye space and then this as a transition. Any of those are for pops of color. These two are shimmers, so anytime you needed to add a little shine. Can you see that at all? Very shiny, but I wanted to leave it covered so I could pass it along. The paperwork says the On The Daily Eyeshadow Palette has a $24 value. What a great value. Created by Addison. She's the co-founder of Item. See, I should have just gone to the source. The neutral shades in this clean makeup palette. Ooh, it's clean. Can I get through a sentence? The neutral shades in this clean makeup palette will be your go-tos for work, weekend, and everything in between. They're long-wearing and easy to blend. So this is my Glam Bag X box. I will get you a value in just a second. I have my Item Beauty eyeshadow palette, this really nice eye cream, the Pat McGrath gloss, the Tula moisturizer, the Anastasia brows. I picked out these brushes. We have the Wow hair volume that's going to give me voluminous hair. My key glasses. Did I get everything? I think I got everything. So this month we received 8 products. 3 were my choices, the glasses, the palette, and the brushes. Let me get you a value. The answer is, I don't know. It's sitting right here. I'm not sure what the value of my box is because those brushes are not in this paperwork. But if you add up everything else without the brushes, the value of my box is $360. So even without the brushes, it's $10 over what they say the estimate of $350 will be. So 8 products. I chose 3. I have more than $360 in value. Like I said, I don't know what the brushes add to it. It is a $55 box, so it is a little pricey. But if you like trying new things, since you get 3 choices, just with the choices that you can choose, you can probably more than cover your box. So I like this. On the month that they do this, because I get all 3 bags. I get the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and this. If you have the Plus in your arsenal of things that you get from them, you don't get your plus on the month that you get this. So you don't have that additional money coming out of your account. You get your regular bag and this bag. I think if you don't have the plus, you don't get your regular bag. I think you just get this. I think they take one thing away and send you this. If you have any other questions, let me know below. I'm happy to answer them if I can. I will put my link below. I'm not an affiliate or anything with Ipsy. I will just put it down below to make it easy if you'd like to go check it out. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you again really soon. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Thanks a lot, guys.